Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ADP Workforce Now for time tracking insights, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize ADP Workforce Now for time tracking insights, start by logging into your ADP Workforce Now account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings option, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Settings to access the configuration menu. From the Settings menu, find and select Time and Attendance Settings. In the Time and Attendance section, look for the Authorization settings. Click on Authorization to open the authorization options. You will see various permissions related to time tracking. Select the option that pertains to time tracking insights. Make sure to review the permissions to ensure accuracy. After selecting the desired permissions, click on Save or Apply. A confirmation message will appear once your changes have been saved. Next, navigate back to the dashboard for further verification. Check to ensure that the Time Tracking Insights feature is now enabled. If you encounter any issues, return to the authorization settings. Double-check the permissions to confirm they are correctly set. Once everything is confirmed, log out and log back in to refresh the settings. This will help finalize the authorization for time tracking insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.